Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. So I'm thinking about making a little playlist for all my keto recipes that I've got going on because I don't just do keto recipes on my channel, but today I am, and I wanted to share with you a recipe for keto stuffed mushrooms. It makes a perfect side dish along with your steak, chicken, salmon, whatever. All right, so I found these great looking mushrooms at the store the other day. They are very big, and we just took out the middle of each one, and then we've got our Parmesan cheese here. I like using Parmesan cheese that does not have cellulose added to it. This one actually uses potato starch. And I've got our cream cheese and just salt and garlic powder. I know that looks like pepper, but it's actually garlic powder. So first we start by breaking up our little mushroom stems here, and then we're going to be adding our cream cheese and everything to it. So there's not really like an exact quantity. I just get like a tray of mushrooms and then kind of eyeball it, make sure everything like looks like it's the right consistency. So just watch the video to kind of get a general idea of what the consistency should look like. So now I'm adding garlic powder. I'm probably adding like almost a teaspoon of it, and then some salt, just a few shakes. And for our cream cheese, I'm thinking this looks like about maybe 6 tablespoons or so. I'm not sure what that converts to on like, you know, quarter cup or half cup, but this looks like about 6 tablespoons to me. And then we're just gonna mash that together before we add our Parmesan cheese. All right, and once that's all mashed together well, it kind of has like a consistency of like tuna salad or something. It's time to add our Parmesan cheese. So I'm adding probably about a half a cup to this, maybe 3/4 cup, but I think it's closer to half a cup or 2/3, whatever. But we just kind of add it to a certain consistency here, and then we will stuff our mushrooms. And again, this pretty much just looks like tuna salad. You want it to look like tuna salad, and then it's time to stuff the mushrooms. So when I first start stuffing my mushrooms, I like to put in just enough of the filling that it, you know, fills up the hole, and I do that with each one. And then I come back with whatever's left in the bowl and top off each one. And that way I make sure that they're all evenly filled and each one has filling. Because sometimes I'll just kind of go overboard and really stuff one of them, and I don't have enough for the last one. So yeah. And once these are stuffed, I put them in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. I think I ended up doing these ones for 30 minutes, and I think they could have just gone a little bit longer because these are a larger mushroom. So like they're thicker, and I like my mushroom to not have a bite to it. It just kind of is weird to be chewing on a mushroom for too long. But anyway, so these went in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. I would go 35. And if you wanted to add a little bit of protein, there's protein in the cheese and whatnot, but if you wanted to add a little more protein, you could do some pepperoni. I like to use turkey pepperoni sometimes, and it makes them taste like pizza. So yeah, here's what they look like when they're all done. The pan, at the bottom of the pan, there's a lot of liquid, so I take a paper towel and kind of sop that up. And these are ready to serve now. These are so good. I love to serve them right out of the oven when they're nice and hot and gooey. And I'll cut one open for you now so you can see how good these look. Beautiful, am I right? Okay. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I have another video that I think I'm going to post this one second. So I have another video just before this one, and you'll get a little shot of that at the end of this video because I made these on the same day. I did stuffed mushrooms and then like a cheesy broccoli cauliflower casserole thing. So yeah, check out that video. The link will be down below, and you'll get to see a little picture here in a moment. But yeah, look how good this looks. I love it. Okay guys, make sure to leave a comment down below if you end up trying these, or if you have any other keto recipes that you would love to see me create on the channel. Maybe something that's not typically keto that I could do a keto version of, or attempt to anyway. But yeah, so make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, ring that bell so you can get alerted for my new videos, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram.